Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about life, dreams and the power of intentional living. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. I'm someone who has walked through a journey of love, resilience and transformation. From enduring a long, emotionally exhausting divorce to marrying the love of my life and building the life I always envisioned. My story is a proof that intentional living can truly change your life. But I'll be honest, sharing this hasn't been easy. In the beginning, I was too awkward to talk about my struggles. I worried about what people would think of me. Would they judge me for the decisions I made, for the challenges I faced? But gradually, I realized something very important. My story could inspire others. The same way I found hope through the stories of others, maybe my journey could remind someone out there that no matter how hard life gets, transformation is always possible. Let's rewind to the beginning. This journey began in one of the most challenging phases of my life. I was caught in a long divorce case that seemed like it would never end. It was emotionally exhausting, draining, and at times I felt like my dreams of love, happiness, and freedom were slipping away. But then something unexpected happened. I met someone who changed everything. He was younger than me, full of life and hope, and he saw me who I truly was. Our connection was undeniable, but it wasn't easy. Society's judgment and my own doubts created obstacles that felt unsurmountable at times. Despite all the challenges, we stayed together for 12 years. During those years, I held on to a dream, a vision of being with him, building a life filled with love and acceptance, and creating a future that felt free and fulfilling. Here's where the power of intentional living comes in. Throughout those years, I discovered some tools that became my lifeline. I'll be sharing with you all that today. Just stay with me till the end. In 2019, after years of challenges, doubts, and resilience, we got married. It wasn't just a wedding, it was the culmination of love, patience, and unwavering belief. It symbolized everything we had overcome together and marked the beginning of a new chapter in our lives. Settling in Dubai felt like the ultimate dream come true. For years, I had envisioned a life where I could live freely, away from societal constraints and focus on what truly mattered: love, happiness, and growth. Today, I wake up every day in this incredible city, living a life that aligns with everything I had once written in my journey. Through this journey, I have learned that success isn't just about reaching your goals. It's about who you become along the way. The life we live today is often the result of thoughts, decisions, and beliefs we held yesterday. So, how do you create the life you want? Let me share with you 5 powerful steps that help me transform my life. Practice gratitude daily. For the past 8 years, I have written down what I am grateful for every single day. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's present. It's a simple habit, but it opens your heart and mind to abundance. When you are grateful for what you have, you attract more positivity and positive things into your life. Second, decide and write your goals. Be clear about what you want. Write your goals as if they have already happened. Describe your dream life in detail. Don't just write small goals, write big ones. Why? Because when you aim high, your brain activates something called confirmation bias, helping you find resources and opportunities to make those dreams happen. Third, focus on 3 big goals daily. Every day, write down the 3 most important goals you are working on. This keeps you focused and intentional. It's easy to get overwhelmed by everything you want to achieve, but focusing on 3 key goals simplifies the process and keeps you moving forward. Step 4. Visualize your dreams. Visualization is incredibly powerful. Close your eyes and imagine living your dream life. See it, feel it, and experience it with all your senses. What does it look like? How does it feel? The stronger your visualization, the more real it becomes in your mind. And that's the first step to making it real in your life. Step 5. Keep your heart pure and celebrate others. Success isn't just about achieving your own goals. It's also about how you treat others along the way. Keep your intentions pure. Be kind, support others, and celebrate their successes. When you genuinely applaud others, you align yourself with positive energy that attracts abundance into your own life. These steps carried me through my toughest times. They helped me stay focused when everything felt impossible. Today I am living in Dubai with the love of my life, surrounded by joy and acceptance. But my life isn't perfect, but it's everything I dreamed of and more. If you ever felt like your dreams are too far out of reach, let me remind you, they are not. Dream big, live intentionally, and take action every day. The life you want is closer than you think, but it starts with believing in yourself and the power of your actions. Thank you for letting me share my journey with you. If this story inspired you, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to hear from you. What's one dream you are working on right now? Drop it in the comments and let's inspire each other to create lives we truly love. Until next time, remember, dream big, live intentionally, and create the life you deserve.